Okay, this is a little demonstration of the MTI Proforma 300 wafer measurement gauge. It will perform thickness, TTV, and bow measurements. Starting out, we need a calibration standard. This is a NIST traceable calibration standard. We go to the menu button. We choose Calibrate. Once you're in the Calibrate, you need to choose the calibration standard. Hit Enter, and then enter your calibration. In this case, it's 682.049 micron, and simply hit Enter. Once the system is calibrated, we can choose different modes. In this case, we will start out with continuous mode. In continuous mode, you can move the wafer to different positions manually and get a thickness measurement. Another mode of operation, if we go to mode, would be 5-point. 5-point allows you to take 5 separate points anywhere on the wafer. So our first point will be the center point in this case. We hit Enter, and you can see the thickness come up. Move to point 2, hit Enter, point 2 comes up. Move to point 3, Enter, point 4, Enter, and back to point 5, Enter. Another mode of operation is the bow measurement. In this case, we're going to make a bow measurement on a 200 millimeter wafer. To do this, we need a bow ring. So we'll remove our calibration standard. We'll load our bow ring with our wafer and center the wafer by moving the pins to the 200 millimeter position, aligning the bow ring, and it says Enter to measure side 1, so we hit Enter. Then we need to flip the wafer to measure the other side, which we will do. Hit Enter again, and you see that the bow of this particular wafer is 10 microns. Final mode would be 0 mode. We use this for TTV measurement. So if we choose 0, it will 0 it out. Now moving the wafer, you see essentially the TTV across the wafer. This system can measure thickness to plus or minus ¼ micron with a resolution or a repeatability of 50 nanometer.